I'm in Excel 2013, creating a macro. I'm doing some stuff that's very simple, and I'm showing you how to put a button in the quick access toolbar. What I'm going to do is something that will help us put a footer in there. If I go to preview, it doesn't show anything. But watch this. We're going to make it landscape, a few other things. So we're going to go on the developer tab. Make sure you have use relative references ticked off. I'm going to go to record macro. I'm going to call it page setup. We don't need a shortcut key, but we can if we want. If I do a Shift P, Control Shift P is the shortcut. Now when you're doing this, you got to pay attention, don't get distracted. So I go to page layout. It doesn't depend on the speed you're doing this, but I'm going to go, let's say, landscape, fit the page. I'm going to click on header footer and custom footer. We want to put information here like the date it's being printed, the time, and let's say the sheet name. If you want something underneath, hit the enter key. We click on the green X, that's the file. And let's say hypothetically you want grid lines, row and column headings. Say OK. This is the macro. We click on stop recording. So if we preview this, it shows it. Now watch this. I'm in here. Oops. I'm just going to make some extra copies of sheets as I do this. If I go here, it's that. I do Control Shift P, I print preview, I got that. What I want to do is I want to create a button up here. Very easy. You click on File, click on Options, click on Quick Access Toolbar, click up here, click on Macros. It shows this. Go to Add. You got this really ugly looking thing. You could leave it if you want. I'm going to click on Modify. It shows a bunch of things. You might want to use anything that you would think is appropriate. You could customize this. I'm doing a simple thing. I do this. The display name. What I could do is page setup with footer. Say OK, OK. I'm on this sheet. I have this little button now. It says page setup with footer. That wasn't showing in the screen, but watch this. When I print preview, it has it there with the date, time, sheet name, file name.